Ulat ke jylla Meghalaya Phagu Chauhan ulawan ïuhkjat henen kesngi ulai hamaukrwat habala senran lang da BDR tiwari IS Commissioner and Secretary jong Governor jong kal jylla Meghalaya. Bat apdeng sengobha dauba langwa IS Deputy Commissioner Southwest Khasi Hill. Hakni kejengwan ïuhkjat jong ulan ha Southwest Khasi Hills District Makurwan relate banjurip yak Civil Hospital Makurwan Kamaharam Government High Secondary School Makurwan bat kibai pat kimat penroi ki bahap hapo ka MGNR EGA kabadon hamaupon. Hakju kesngi ula penlong yak jingi kendo lang bat ki officer jong ki district naka state bat central government rangkat kis aim jong ki lai hima bat ki nong sensyar shnong kabala long ha conference hall jong ki circuit house Southwest Khasi Hills District Makurwan.
Excellency, Honorable Governor of Meghalaya and District Magistrate, Principal of the School, Superintendent of Police, DMHO and other senior officials who are present here, DSCO Madam, and my dear friends. On behalf of Honorable Governor, I would like to translate what he would like to convey his blessings to you. And Honorable Governor is telling that you are like the flowers in a properly developed flower beds, and you are a different color of flowers with good fragrance, and with your work, with your dedication, with your action, you will be the future of our country, and through your act, fragrance of your place will spread like anything. So wherever, whenever you are, you do your best, you try your best and do hard work to study and excel in all fields of life. So you should be proud for you, not for yourself, but for your parents, but for your society, your village. So Honorable Governor would like to convey his message that you should work hard, you should be happy, take care of your good health, and be the bright future of our country. And he conveys his blessing for all of you.
Governor Meghalaya lawan visit ke district ini Southwest Khasi Hills menin bat mentasi lawan kerja kendo kini ki officer jangka district nanta ki officer jangka central government state government bat ki CM bat katuan dengan ki nongiram senang. Hari ini kita keren lah ya keren siapa kini ki program ki scheme ki development ki bang pentri kami ko district ini. Nanta pada ki cing kam ki suggestion ki idea ki bawa ki advice ki cing kentu ulah ru. Katuan ini nanta pada ulayo ru governor ulayo ru cing keren bat kini ki CM bat kini nongiram senang hak bagi lapan snow. Ya katuan ni ki issues ki jingnya ki kendo apa ni ka district ini. Mereka siapang kanika border fencing, siapang ka jingnya jangki beriu, siapki than border, nanta boleh siapang ki surau ki jangki ki sikit ki umbang undi bat ki kajingnya sungsuk dan ki bapa mereka district macam ini.